As a parent, preparing fresh, nutritious meals for your baby can feel like a daunting task, especially when juggling nap schedules, diaper changes, and the chaos of daily life. Enter this Phydge Baby Food Maker, a game-changing kitchen gadget designed to simplify meal prep while ensuring your little one enjoys wholesome, homemade purees. This 10-ounce green baby food blender is more than just a food processor. It's a lifeline for busy parents who want to provide the best for their babies without spending hours in the kitchen. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Phydge Baby Food Maker stands out as a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and how it solves common baby food prep challenges. Spoiler alert, this baby food puree maker is a total game-changer. Solving the baby food prep struggle. New parents often face a whirlwind of challenges when introducing solids to their baby's diet. Store-bought baby food can be expensive, loaded with preservatives, and lack the fresh flavors you want your little one to experience. On the other hand, traditional methods of steaming and blending at home are time-consuming, messy, and often result in inconsistent textures. The Phydge Baby Food Maker tackles these pain points head-on. This all-in-one baby food processor streamlines the process of chopping, mashing, and pureeing fruits, vegetables, and meats into smooth, nutrient-packed meals in just seconds. Whether you're a first-time parent or a seasoned pro, this baby food blender makes homemade meals effortless, affordable, and stress-free. Why the Phydge Baby Food Maker shines. Premium food-grade materials, crafted with a 10-ounce glass bowl, 8 stainless steel blades, and BPA-free food-grade plastic, PP. The Phydge ensures every puree is free from harmful chemicals. The glass bowl is durable, stain-resistant, and won't absorb odors, guaranteeing clean and healthy meals for your baby. Lightning fast prep. Equipped with a high-powered motor and 8 sharp blades, this baby food processor can chop, mash, and puree fruits, vegetables, and meats in as little as 10 seconds. Whether you're aiming for silky smooth purees for younger babies or chunkier textures for older ones, you can adjust the consistency with ease. Whisper quiet operation. Unlike traditional blenders that roar through the kitchen, the Phydge operates quietly, so you can prepare meals during nap time without waking your baby. This feature is a lifesaver for parents who value peace and quiet. Effortless cleaning. The detachable mixing cup and blades make cleanup a breeze. Simply disassemble the components and pop them in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. This ensures the hygiene of every meal and saves you precious time. Spill-proof design. The upgraded thick silicone ring in the lid creates a tight seal, preventing messy spills and keeping your kitchen spotless. No more worrying about puree splattering across your countertops. Benefits of the Phydge Baby Food Maker. Healthier meals, happier babies. By making fresh purees at home, you control the ingredients, ensuring your baby gets nutrient-rich meals without preservatives or additives. This is especially crucial for babies with food sensitivities or allergies. Time-saving efficiency. The Phydge's one-touch operation and quick prep time mean you can whip up a batch of baby food in minutes, freeing up time for cuddles, playtime, or a well-deserved coffee break. Cost-effective solution. Homemade purees are significantly cheaper than store-bought options. With the Phydge, you can batch prep meals using affordable, fresh ingredients like sweet potatoes, peas, or bananas, saving you money in the long run. Who is the Phydge Baby Food Maker perfect for? This baby food puree maker is ideal for new parents. If you're just starting your baby's solid food journey, the Phydge's intuitive design and quick operation make it easy to create perfect purees, even if you're not a kitchen pro. Busy families. For parents juggling work, childcare, and household tasks, this baby food processor cuts down prep time and simplifies cleanup, fitting seamlessly into a hectic lifestyle. Health-conscious caregivers. If you're passionate about providing organic, preservative-free meals tailored to your baby's needs, the Phydge empowers you to craft wholesome purees with full control over ingredients. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? To put the Phydge Baby Food Maker to the test, I used it to prepare a variety of purees, from classic sweet potato and apple blends to more adventurous combos like chicken and carrot. The results? Consistently smooth, perfectly textured purees that my baby devoured. The 8 stainless steel blades effortlessly handled everything from soft fruits to tougher meats, and the adjustable consistency allowed me to cater to my baby's changing preferences as they grew. The quiet operation was a pleasant surprise. No startled cries from the nursery. Cleanup was a breeze, with the dishwasher-safe parts saving me from tedious scrubbing. The only minor note is that some denser ingredients, like raw carrots, may require a bit of extra liquid to achieve a silky texture, but this was easily managed. Final thoughts. Is the Phydge worth it? The Phydge Baby Food Maker is a powerhouse that delivers on its promise of quick, healthy, and hassle-free baby food prep. Its premium materials, efficient performance, and user-friendly design make it a top contender for parents who want to nourish their babies with fresh, homemade meals without the stress. Whether you're a new parent navigating the world of solids or a busy caregiver looking to simplify mealtime, this baby food processor is a worthy investment that saves time, money, and effort. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.